For the first step, we're going to do a multi-surface 5-axis toolpath which uses a set of offset pattern surfaces called a cut pattern to control the tool axis normal to it. Next, the toolpath compensates the tool tip selected compensation surfaces. Tool axis vectors can be modified to initiate or terminate through points, stay perpendicular to the plane, stay normal to pattern surfaces, or follow an open or closed chain of curves. Come up to the top and select Toolpaths. From here, select Multi-Axis. Mastercam will ask us to insert a new NC name. Just select OK. From here, we're going to select MSurf. Once we have selected MSurf, come over to the left-hand side and select Tool. Select Library Tool and Filter. Make sure that none are selected and that we choose the Sphere M-Mill as our tool type. Under Tool Diameter, make sure it's equal to 3/8 and hit Enter on our keyboard. Once this is done, select OK and grab Tool 309 and select OK once more. In the comment section, insert the comment, rough out the part using 5-axis. Using Multi-Surface Toolpath. Come over to the left-hand side and select Holder. Under Holder, select Open Library and select CT40-inch right here. Once we have chosen this, select C4C40025 as your holder, or this one here. Once you have this, come over to the left-hand side and select Cut Pattern. Under Cut Pattern, select the icon here, beside Surface. Select this surface here. Once you have this surface, hit Enter on your keyboard. If you need to rotate to see this better, please do. You should see a gray line come across here. If you don't, simply select Cut Direction to fix it. Once you have this, select OK. From here, we are going to change our stock to leave on drive surfaces here to 0.02 and hit Enter on our keyboard. We're going to come down here to a cross step over and change this value to 0.1 and also a long step over to 0.1 as well. Once we have this done, come over to the left-hand side and select Tool Axis Control. Make sure that we change lines to chain and select this icon here. Rotate if need be and select the chain here. Select OK when this is done. When the Chain Options dialog box appears, make sure that Entire Chain Per Surface is selected and select OK. The Entire Chain Per Surface enabled sets the tool axis vector to transition along the selected chain. Every tool axis position corresponds to a different point along the chain. Make sure that the values here align with that of your training tutorial. Come over to the left-hand side and select Collision Control. From here, under Compensation Surface, select this icon here. Select this icon here. Come over to the right-hand side and select QM Color. Under QM Color, make sure that the orange color is the only one selected, or color number 138, and select OK. And hit Enter on your keyboard, and select OK once more. You should have 14 entities selected on this. Make sure that these values align to those of your training tutorial before heading over to the linking parameters. In the linking parameters, make sure your clearance is a value of 2, make sure your retract has a value of 1.5, make sure that your feed plane has a value of 1, and make sure that your percentage of tool diameter is selected with a value of 300. Come over to the left-hand side and select Roughing. Under Roughing, turn on Depth Cuts. Make sure that there are 14 number of rough cuts with a value of 0.095 for the rough step. Under Finishing Cuts, just leave the value as 0 and also Finishing Step, the value of 20 thou. From here, make sure that Depth Cut Order is set to by depth. Once this is done, Select OK. As you can see here, your toolpath will be generated. And should look something as shown. Come up to here and select your backplot options. When you are ready, select Play. Once this is done, come up to the top and select Verify. Under Verify, make sure that the visibility options are to your liking and select Play again. If this takes too long for you, unselect Play and select End. Your part should look like this. Come up to the top and select Save Stock. And save it to a location where you'll be able to find it. I'm naming mine as Tutorial 10 and saving it as an STL file. Select Save. From here, close this window